Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to change your server location in Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to one of your websites, like this WordPress website for example, click on this dashboard button. Now to change your server location, just go to hosting plan. Then select plan details. From this page, you will see your plan details, including your server details. This is my current server location. It's North America. And to change it, it's simple. Just click on this little pen. This server location window pops up. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger Horizons, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. This server location window pops up. Here you can select, or from this list you can change your server location. Let's say for example I want to jump from North America to Europe, France for example. Select it like that. As you see, you can initiate one server transfer in 30 days. Click on next. Let's read these important information about this server location change. All the server transfer is free of cost. All websites under the hosting plan will be moved to the new data center, and the IP address of your hosting plan will be changed. Changes during the transfer process won't be saved and are not recommended. So here, this means that you should not, or you should avoid making changes to your websites during this server change. Also, the server transfer can take up to 12 hours to complete. This depends on your hosting, or on your your hosting plan size, and hosting will be locked during the transfer. And if I click on this start button, the server change process will start working. And this is how to change your server location in Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.